you doing, folks? This is Master Maverick here, and you are looking at the Mopnado Walkable Spin Mop. Yes, it is one of those really neat spinning mops. What makes this thing unique from other spinning mops is the bucket. So this bucket actually has wheels and a handle for smooth mobility while cleaning. It also has a stainless steel, I guess what you call spinner, as well as a soap dispenser. So it is supposed to be tons of fun. I'm super excited about it, and I'm going to be letting you know my thoughts on it. So just go ahead and sit tight while we dive right into it. Okay, folks, this is Maverick here again. And as you can see, I have the mop unboxed. I went ahead and filled the bucket. So right now there's just plain water. There goes the dispenser. And just a quick note, about the water when filling it. There is a fill line, so make sure you do not pass it. Here is the handle, which works. It's spring loaded, so it actually pops right back into place. So you can easily pull this thing around. This is especially good if you're somebody maybe with a bad back. I'm assuming they had those people in mind when they came up with this invention. You won't see that on any other spin mops. The soap dispenser, it's really, I'm not even sure if this is necessary, but I'm putting some soap in there. But it might be easier just to go ahead and pour some soap in manually. I really can't see anyone doing this, but you're not me, so it may work for you, but it's nice to have. And do you see that contraption there on the bottom? That's basically a place for you to take the mop or the mop head and just put it there so you can kind of spin out the dirt, and then of course this is to get rid of all the water. So there is no foot pedal involved. It's kind of an up and down action. I'm going to show you as I do it momentarily. Okay, folks, you are looking at a Mopnado Mop Head. This the box actually came with two of these mop heads, and just a quick note, the previous versions did not. So this mop head here is actually made of microfiber, and if you don't know anything about microfiber, then let me tell you that this is great for cleaning. I've used microfiber rags, and they always leave everything streak free, and they always clean very well. When you want to use the mop head, you want to lay it down flat like that. Make sure that there are none of these hairs in the way, and then you're going to take the mop. You're gonna lay it down, and when you put it in place, you step on it, and you're supposed to hear it kind of like pop, and that basically lets you know that it's in place. Just a quick note here: you have to make sure that when you're gonna put this thing in the bucket and spin it, that this adjustment is nice and loose, so you can easily take it, place the mop in the bucket. There you go, and you get this nice spinning action going on here. And once you're done there, you take it, place it in the basket. You begin to extract all the water, going up and down with your arm, and the stick just kind of does the rest. So there it's done. So I'm gonna place it down. Now there's an adjustment on the head, so you can go at an angle. It makes it very easy to mop, very easy. And the nice thing about this is that you never actually ever have to touch any water. So you could have the water as hot as you want it, which is probably the best for sanitizing. I'm gonna place it back in here. Make sure you straighten out the stick again. I'm gonna place it back, place the mop back in the bucket, our Mopnado. I'm going up and down again, up and down, taking out all the dirt and all the grime and all the stuff. that's in there once again in the basket for a spin. And you can see, folks, it's as easy as that. So, is it all the fun that I've heard it to be? Well, I wouldn't say it's fun. It's easy. I mean, if you have little kids and you want to get them to mop, yeah, they can take that stick and they can go up and down with it, and the thing will just keep spinning, and then they can mop and just kind of help you out. But there it is, just very easy, and you can go anywhere with this. Just remember, folks, that just like with any bucket and mop, after a while you do need to change dirty water. Once again, my thoughts on this mop: it definitely makes the task of mopping a lot easier because your hands don't get wet or filthy, so they can pretty much stay nice and clean. You never have to touch any water. The bucket's very easy to move around. I guess it makes life easy all around. I like the mop. It's definitely an improvement, from your traditional mops. I know that a lot of people have attempted to reinvent the wheel. I guess they've kind of done that with a basket that spins. I can't see why anybody would not like a mop like this. This will put some joy back into mopping. Anyway, that's pretty much it. This is Maverick. Over and out.